Here we go.
Oh, hi.
Oh, there's Grandma's boy.
I don't know what
There's Grandma's boy.
Hey, open those eyes.
Hey, really need your help on this one, Dad.
Look what he's getting.
Chad.
The double chin?
Triple chin. 1, 2, 3.
Let's zoom in on that.
No. Oh, get the lips, get the lips. No, not the eyes, just the lips. I love his lips. Not that close, Lord have mercy.
Stu, hey, you don't like his stuff, cuz.
The lips.
I got him. Look at that outfit.
Oh, good morning.
They're open, they're open. Let's look at him. Xavier.
Good morning.
Hi.
Hi, love. Good morning, my little boy. Hey, little man. What's all that red on your nosy? What's all that on your little nosy? You have such beautiful little light eyebrows like your daddy. Yeah, your daddy has real light eyebrows. Yeah. Daddy Hondo did. Oh, I know. But Daddy Hondo, he's local. You're just going to have to run to 1-800 to call Grandma. Yeah. Grandma.